this was a tweet made about 2 or 3 days ago about 3 profitable side hustles you could do right now along with your 9 to 5 salary job. All right, and at the end of the thread, I left a link. All right, so this is the call to action. It says, click the link below to reach me via WhatsApp and access it. Click here. So this is link. When we click on this link, I'm going to show you where this leads to. So now you see this link leads to my WhatsApp DM. So anyone who clicks on it will send me this customized message via WhatsApp. All right, I'm going to show you how to get that done right now. So today I want to show you how to create a WhatsApp DM link. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So please like this video and also subscribe for more videos like this one. Creating a custom WhatsApp DM link for your phone number, it's very simple. Currently, I'm on this website, create.wa.link. All right, I'll leave the link to it down below in the pinned comment section. All right, so you see, it's a place where you could create WhatsApp links. All right, so I'm just going to scroll right down. Of course, you can do this for free. You don't need a premium. Of course, you could do this for free. You don't need a premium subscription for this. All right, so I'm just simply going to scroll right down. So the first thing you need to do is that we need to type our phone number, our WhatsApp phone number, and then we add a custom message that we want users to send to us. All right, so if you scroll down here to the space, you see it says type your phone number, and of course you have to choose what country you're staying in currently. All right, I'm going to enter mine. Then you enter the custom message too, and then when you're done with that, you scroll down. You could decide to preview, but if you look over here, you can see this is the preview of what the message looks like. All right, then finally we click on this link that says generate my word.link, and we click on it. Amazing. So our link is ready. So this is the link. So we simply scroll down here and copy this link. All right, now if you wanted to also get the QR code, you could just simply click here to download the QR code, but I think right now the link should be enough. So if I head over and I open a new tab and I paste this, amazing. So this is the new link I just generated. It says, hi, this is a video about how to create a WhatsApp DM link. How may I help you? All right, so this is how you create WhatsApp link. You could use this if you're sharing information on a group and you want people to reach out to you via DM, or you're running an ad on Facebook or Instagram or anywhere for that matter, and you want someone to reach out to you, you could use this. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.